Welcome back to Orange School's YouTube channel. In this series, we walk you through how to crack top tech roles across leading companies. And today, we're spotlighting the AI engineer position at Ducima Analytics, where your code turns into real-world intelligence. Let's start by getting to know about the company. Ducima Analytics is a Chennai-based data analytics and business intelligence firm. They specialize in advanced analytics, predictive modeling, and custom dashboards that help organizations make smarter decisions. Their work blends data science with business strategy, and they are looking for smart AI engineers to help drive this mission forward. So let's know about the role. Ducima Analytics is hiring for the position of AI engineer, and the job is based out in Chennai. It's a full-time opportunity ideal for professionals having 1 to 2.5 years of experience with AI tools. The CTC goes up to 5 lakhs per annum. If you have been working with AI models or if you have got a strong base in NLP and Python, this role could be the great next step for your career. Now, what does the ideal candidate for this role look like? Ducima is looking for engineers who are strong in Python, understand LLMs, NLP, and neural networks, can write clean modular code, communicate clearly, and work well in a team. And most importantly, are hungry to solve real world problems with AI. If that sounds like you, you're halfway there already. So, as an AI engineer at Ducima, here's the kind of work you will dive into: building intelligent AI solutions, developing and optimizing machine learning models, implementing NLP pipelines, designing algorithms that extract patterns from messy, unstructured data, and also collaborating with cross functional teams to turn models into scalable products. All right, so what's in it for you? You get a real exposure to AI in production, not just theory or side projects. You will work with cutting edge tools and advanced models, and you will be part of a team that truly values innovation and continuous learning. First off, the CTC goes up to 5 lakhs per annum, which is solid for someone in the early stages of their tech career. So here comes the 5 tips to crack this role. My tip number one would be build end-to-end AI projects. It's not enough to just build models. You need to take your project all the way from idea to deployment. So how can you do that? Let's dive into the example. Pick a real world problem. For example, build a movie recommendation system. Train your model using Python and scikit-learn. Then use Fast API to turn it into an API, Docker to package it, and host it on Render or Heroku. Now, it's not just a project, it's a product. Here comes the tip number two: explore multiple AI domains. Don't stay in your comfort zone. Show that you can work across NLP, computer vision, and LLMs. So, how do you do that? Do one project in each domain. For example, using NLP, build a resume keyword extractor using spacing. And coming to computer vision, train a fruit image classifier using PyTorch. This could be an easy project. And also coming to LLMs, build a document summarizer using LangChain and use OpenAI API for that. This gives you a well rounded portfolio and makes your profile stand out. Coming to tip number three, think like a product engineer. Companies aren't just hiring coders, they're hiring problem solvers. So take any AI project and ask, what's the business goal? Say you're building a customer churn prediction model. Think about, how will this reduce revenue loss? What data matters most? How will the output help the sales team take action? So wrap it up as a mini case study or pitch deck. Now you're not just coding, you're communicating the value. And coming to tip number four, get hands on with generative AI workflows. Generative AI is evolving fast and it's not just about writing prompts. Try building something simple but practical. For example, resume enhancer app that rewrites CV content using LLMs with LangChain. This shows you're ready to build with tomorrow's tools today. And here comes the last but most important tip: show your work. Doing great work is one thing, but showing it builds trust and visibility. Upload your projects to GitHub, record a 2-minute video demo, and post it on LinkedIn. If you are an Odin grad, you can also include your capstone projects, which adds more value. This way, when a recruiter or hiring manager checks your profile, they'll instantly see proof of your skills. So, if you are excited to put your AI skills to work in a meaningful business first environment, then the AI engineer role at Ducima Analytics might be your next move. We'll continue bringing you more such opportunities, tips, and deep dives. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Odin School's channel because your dream job might just be one video away. Thank you.